Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick roasted salsa. You will need cilantro, Roma tomatoes, jalapeño, lime, garlic, sugar, cumin, salt, and onion. We're going to start by charring the vegetables, which means we're going to slightly burn the outside of them and we'll rotate them as needed. Once the vegetable is roasted to my preference, I will remove it from the skillet. Next, add all the ingredients to the food processor: jalapeño, garlic, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, cumin, sugar, salt. And you're going to process until you reach the consistency that you like. Quick consistency check here, and I wanted to blend it a little more, so I did. And lastly, I do one final taste to see if the salt level is good. And that's it. The salsa is ready. I'm now pouring it into the jar where I will store it. I then tried to make a little cute plating with some chips, and look at how many chips I had left. Literally the crumbs of the bag of chips. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.